Hi, I'm Tootie Wilson from Tootylicious, which you can find online. Today I'm going to teach you to make a banana, Nutella, and whipped cream parfait. Let's get started. Nutella is actually a chocolate hazelnut spread with the consistency of peanut butter. You can warm it up and it thins out a little bit, and if you need it a little thinner than that, you can always add a little milk or some whipping cream to it. So I'm just going to spread a little bit on the glass so it'll be down at the bottom, so when you get to the good stuff, which is usually at the bottom of the glass, you'll have a little extra little sweet treat down there. Okay, so there's that. And then I'm going to put in a spoon of this whipped cream. And I'm going to layer in some bananas. Then I'm going to add more whipped cream to it. And spread it all in there. And make sure you touch all over the glass, because it makes it look better when you can see the layers in there. And then you can just put the bananas all over the top. And do just a nice drizzle of the Nutella. Put your last little drop of whipped cream in there. Give yourself a nice little dollop. And then just put a little bit of the Nutella around the glass, like this. Just spread it on there, so you'll still have a contrast of color. So there you go. That's how you make a banana, Nutella, and whipped cream parfait.